Welcome back everyone. Today we're grinding up some butterflied leg of lamb using the KitchenAid Metal Food Grinder. Here we have our boneless leg of lamb, which we're going to roughly cut into 1 inch to 1.5 inch cubes. Here we're going to keep as much fat as we can. Helps with a moist and flavorful lamb product. Alright, now we're going to attach the grinder to the KitchenAid mixer. First, let's flip up the hub cover, followed by loosening the knob by twisting it counterclockwise. Moving on, now fit the grinder attachment into the grinder housing, make sure it fits in the square socket, and tighten. Here's a tip, throw the grind attachment and the meat into the freezer for at least 20 minutes prior to use to ensure a clean and efficient grind and perfect texture. Turn the mixer on to speed 4 and let's get started. And for our first pass, we're going to use the medium grinding plate. Continue to feed the lamb with the food pusher attachment. Make sure to have a clean bowl to catch the ground lamb and a tool to remove the bits from the plate. Alright, moving on to the second pass. Remove the collar, remove the medium grinding plate, clean out the bits, and attach the coarse grinding plate. Lastly, reattach the collar and we're good to go. Reload the food tray using our coarsely ground lamb and begin to feed it through using the food pusher attachment. Now here we have a much finer ground lamb. A beautiful consistency, perfect for meatballs and burgers. Alright guys, moving on, let's weigh and vacuum seal our beautifully and finely ground lamb. And for anyone out there without a vacuum sealer, man, I suggest you invest. These things are amazing, and I got this one reasonably priced on Amazon. Here I'm going to measure, cut, and seal a vacuum bag before we fill it with ground lamb. Now it's important to make sure you fill the vacuum bag and evenly spread out the lamb, allowing for space on all sides. Place bag in vacuum and let it do its thing. Now if you're new to my channel, you should know I'm a neurotic, organized neat freak. So I had to bust out the label maker. Now our ground lamb is labeled and ready for the freezer. That's a wrap, and as always, thank you for sticking around, and I'll catch you on the next video.